everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be opening my Stray Kids albums from Barnes & Noble and some photo cards that I bought from Mercari. So I'm going to start off with the photo cards. My collection is growing and I was so excited. I actually found the Han peace sign one. So this is from the ceremony version and they sent like stickers and everything. That's super cute. I thought this was really cute. So it's the Han with the hearts in the back. So cute, so cute. Also, if you are trading cards, if you are new, because I just learned this from my sister, it's nice to put like a binder tab there so that you can pull it out of the hard case. I also save these. I did buy some, but I'm gonna save them in case I trade more. Here are the little Han stickers that she sent, and then a little note. So there's her Mercari name. I can have her page linked down below if you guys want to look. She has other cards for sale. And this next one, I was on the hunt for a Felix card, and it was so cute. So this has like little stickers. I'll show you in a minute. Send this over. That's really cool. And there is the Felix card. This is the Felix accordion version. That is so cute. So she sent cat stickers and a little bunny sticker. They're so cute. And then these little a cheeseburger. This is the Hooray version. So this will have one photo card and then the Barnes & Noble exclusive photo card. So let's open it up. All of the inclusions are going to be the same as like if you bought it from Walmart or even from their site. But if this is a new video to you, we'll go through it. Bang-chan. This is Lino. Chongbin. Hyunjin. I think I got it right this time. Han, he is my bias. I absolutely love him. Felix, and this is so beautiful. Every time I see this, it's just so incredible. Sungmin and In. Here's these. I'm not going to open these. And then this picture that comes with everything. And then the photo book, which here is the CD. Here's a photo book. It has all the lyrics in the back. Flip. Look, look. Incredible. Stickers, and then this is such a nice photo. Well, straight off the bat, we know that this is Hyunjin. I don't have this one yet. That's awesome. And this is the Barnes & Noble exclusive Bang-chan. And just a disclaimer, I have already opened these because I'm on a hunt for a card for my sister. I'm not going to be buying any more albums, I don't think. I have 4 accordions coming because I want to have one of each member. And then once I have those, like, I'm done. So I'm just going to like start looking for the cards like on Mercari or other places. But here is the ceremony version. So this picture, again, is in every single one. Those little, I guess they're like ticket ones. I said like bookmark looking ones, which, yeah, they kind of do, but I guess they're supposed to like look like tickets. Stunning. This is my first album with Stray Kids. Like I own others, but I obviously bought them when they weren't hyped. Like I've only been a stay for probably 2 or 3 months. But they're all I listen to. Like I try to listen to other bands and I just can't. Like I don't know. I just always come back to these members. Like I love them. Again, lyrics in the back. Such a nice photo. Ah, ah. Why are they always on a 100 page? That is so funny. CD. So I already have this one, and then this one. So Barnes & Noble, regular. Lino. I love Lino. He's probably my second favorite. It's changing all the time, but Lino, for some reason, I don't know, this week it's just, he's the only one like I'm watching content for. Okay, so I got both of those. They are the same freaking card. Why? That's annoying. So these two are both from Ceremony. This is from Hooray, and this is the accordion. And Barnes & Noble. I've been marking them off as like the ones that I have. So if there's a blue line, those are the ones that I already have or I have coming, because my sister is giving me some too. But yeah, I'm so excited. I've never actually, I don't know, I feel like a little kid with Pokemon cards, to be honest with you. So that is everything. I'm going to be putting these away in another video because I have some Twice albums to go through. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!